Can I really succeed without editing my videos on YouTube? If you're a YouTube beginner or a small YouTuber, you've probably asked yourself this question. So in this video, we'll be talking about if skipping the edits can still guarantee your success and growth on YouTube. If this is the first time you're on my channel, please do well to like and subscribe. So let's dive in. A lot of aspiring content creators usually give the excuse of not knowing how to edit when you ask them the reason why they're not creating content in this generation today. And some new YouTubers also, they also face this problem because they don't know how to edit. They usually question their videos, they usually question the success of their videos. Will my channel succeed if I don't edit? That is the question they usually ask. And me too, I usually ask myself this question because if you notice, I don't usually edit my videos that much. The only thing I do is to add transitions and to like enhance the audio. That is the only edit I make on my videos. So many people feel like if you don't edit your videos, your channel will not succeed. But in this video, we're going to break it down. We're going to find out if not editing your videos will guarantee your success on YouTube. So I'll be talking about the pros first. The pros of not editing your videos. What are the advantages of not editing your videos? Not editing your videos is not necessary. Not everyone on YouTube edits their videos. But in this video, we're talking about everything. So what are the pros of not editing your videos on YouTube? The first is it saves a ton of time. Normally, after recording your videos and you want to edit it, it's going to take like 6 hours or maybe 5 hours to edit your videos. It takes that long to edit videos for YouTube. So if you skip the editing and create videos and post like that, you're going to save yourself a lot of time and you'll be able to use that time to create more videos for YouTube. And remember, you have to be posting consistently on YouTube if you want to be successful on YouTube. So not editing your videos can make you consistent and it will save you a lot of time. And the third pro is that people would be able to connect with you. People will be able to see your real personality. They'll be able to see the real you. Like nobody wants to see a polished persona on YouTube. People want to connect with somebody that has a personality. So releasing the raw footage of your videos, you making mistakes, you stuttering, you cracking jokes, people would definitely love that and they will connect with you. So, and to succeed on YouTube, you don't necessarily need to edit your videos that much. You just need a good camera, a nice background, and a good mic. Mic is optional. You can record your voice with your phone, but just to make it more polished, you can get a mic, a cheap mic, just to make your videos more polished so that people will be able to hear what you're saying. If you want to be posting content without editing them, just make sure that your camera is on point. Make sure that your camera is clear. Make sure that your audio is crisp and clear. And make sure that you record your videos in a neat background. Remember, you don't need expensive gadgets. You don't need expensive gears to be successful on YouTube. You just need your phone. The only thing I'd say that you need is a good mic because people want to hear a clear sound. People want to hear what you're saying. So just get a good mic that would elevate your audio, then you're good to go. So what are the challenges of not editing your videos? Without the ability to add cuts, streamline, and visuals to your videos, it will be very hard to keep the viewer watching. When there is long pauses, filler words flying up and down, the ums, the ahs, it will make your viewer to lose interest immediately. So when you add stock images, stock videos, animations, visuals to your videos, it would likely make the viewer to watch you from the beginning to the end. I'm not saying that they will watch you from the beginning to the end, but likely they will watch you from the beginning to the end because of the animations and the stock images and videos in your video. So if you want to make videos without editing them, you need to make your videos to be very, very interesting. You need to master the art of keeping people watching. You need to make your videos to be very interesting. That is the challenges of not editing your videos. So I'll be giving you guys some tips to create engaging content without editing it much or without editing. The first is to have a plan. You need to write a script so that you don't go astray, you don't mess up your words. You need to be sure of what you're saying. You need to know exactly what you'll say next so you don't break or so you don't make mistakes. Next is to use storytelling techniques. A lot of people love stories. People love hearing stories. So you can add storytelling to your content. Maybe the story can be fake, it can be real, I don't know. But whichever one, add storytelling to your content making. Then the next is to rely on your personality. Your personality is what people will see and determine if they will subscribe to you or not. So when you have a likable personality, when you show your uniqueness, your real personality on camera, people will likely resonate with you and they would want to see more of you and subscribe to your channel. So these three things will help you to create engaging content without editing it much. In case you don't know how to write a script for your YouTube videos, I've already made a video on how to write a script for YouTube videos. Make sure you check it out after watching this video. And in case you've not subscribed to this point, please help me by subscribing. There are so many successful YouTubers out there that don't usually edit their videos. We have, for example, Vibe with Sonia, we have Favor Matthews, and so much more. If you watch their videos, you'd see that they don't usually edit their videos. And there's one American guy I usually watch. His name is King Explicit. If you check out his content, you're going to see that he does not usually edit his videos. He's always in his car recording his videos, giving out value, giving out information, important information that YouTubers need to know. So you don't necessarily need to edit your videos. If you want to be successful on YouTube, you don't have to become the best editor. You can just record your videos, give out information, and you'll still be successful on YouTube. Will you fail on YouTube when you don't edit your videos? The answer is not necessarily. You will still succeed even when you don't edit your videos as a small YouTuber. So stop saying that you're not going to succeed because you don't edit your videos or you don't know how to do some basic edits. You're still going to succeed. And those that are aspiring to be a YouTuber, I want you to get your camera now and start recording your videos. You're still going to make it as a YouTuber, even when you don't know how to edit. Stop wasting time. Start to create your videos right now. Don't let your lack of not knowing how to edit stop you from creating videos. The thing there is just to be consistent, be authentic, and always post your videos on time. It will help you. It will help you to become successful on YouTube. So just do all these things and everything will be okay for you. You will get your own unique viewers, you will get your subscribers, you will get your audience. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have not subscribed, please help me by subscribing and liking. And also, I want to hear your thoughts. I want to know what you think about this video. Like, is editing videos that important? I want to hear your thoughts. So just comment and I'll be there waiting for each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching this video once again, and please don't forget to subscribe and also check this video out showing on your screen.